Hi guys, name is Steve468 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a random generator / coin flipper on Python. So yeah, let's get right into this. Okay guys, so to start off with, you're just going to write in import and then random. This will just allow the random command to work, and then you're going to skip one line, and on the third line you will write in whatever you want to be random. So I'm going to write in coin, because I'm going to make a coin flipper, and I only wrote in CN for some reason, but now we have coin there. And then I'm going to equals, brackets, heads. Now you need to make sure, guys, you put them in inverted commas or apostrophes, whichever one you call them, and tails. There we are, guys, and then you can put in as many as you like right here. So I'm just going to write in 2 though, and then you're going to write in print and then random.choice, and then guys, you should have double brackets here, and you're going to write in finally what you want to be written down, and there you are. So now this should just randomly generate a coin. So here it says tails and heads and tails again, yep. And then you can see, guys, sometimes obviously it will go for quite a few in a row, but that is how you make a really simple, only 4 lines of code, a coin flipper. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy them, please do like and subscribe. But for now, bye.